went to the trusty dusty AutoZone, and let's get started. Oh, it's just bringing back so many memories of life before the LS swap. It's crazy. But can't wait to show you guys. It's raining and these windshield wipers suck. The wind is like 30 miles an hour right now, and I'm getting blown all over the road. Alright, finally made it to the gas station. Here it is. There it is, super straight body on it. Definitely needs a paint job. Runs and drives great so far. That looks to be like the worst part about the whole vehicle. That little corner right there, that can be fixed. That can be fixed. Man, this thing looks good. Shoo-wee. Alright, can't wait to drive this thing like an hour back. Hopefully I make it and nothing tears up on it. It felt like the wheels were completely unbalanced. It looks like that tire could go at any moment in time. The other ones probably look the same. That one looks decent. That one looks decent. That one looks awful. Alright, here we go. Got to fire this old 2.5 Iron Duke up and head to the warehouse. If I can find the key. Yes. There we are. Yes. Alright, let's get it, Lizard. Ooh, nice wheels. I will note that it seemed, well, it did seem like it was idling really high, then it just idled down now, so I don't know, maybe that was just the TBI on the startup. We gonna make it. Alright, so we had flat tire, as expected. Let's try and do something about it before the rain gets here.
It looks like that tire could go at any moment in time.
There it goes. Did we chalk the wheels?
Oh, you're so... I hope it fits on account of it being a four-wheel drive wheel.
Oh, shoot. Me too. What's wrong with those wheels?
What?
What's wrong with them?
What?
The ones in the back.
Tires are just not, I reckon. Got 2-inch lower blocks back here that are not bolted down where the hoot.
That's great. Are you getting rained on?
In life. I have to like kick that jack out from under it to get the pedal on all the way. But once these lug nuts are on there, it shouldn't go anywhere. It's gonna rub the brake line. Let's just see what else it's gonna rub.
Storms are brewing.
This rain will really make you hustle.
I'll bet.
It's totally rubbing the leaf spring. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. I gotta have one of the Firebird wheels. Okay, we are almost back to the truck over there. We did not have an extension long enough to take the snowflake wheel off of the Firebird, but now we do. Went to the trusty dusty AutoZone, and let's get started. Yeah, I know that style is so weird. What'd you do to get that one off? You just pulled it right off?
Is that the one? That one was easier. This one's a pain in the to get off.
We are finally back on the road. We're going slow, but we're going. We just got finished changing the damn wheel and tire on there because we had a blowout. And we just put brand new wipers on there. Shout out to AutoZone. But yeah, we are on our way back. Still got like 45 minutes or so to go before we are home. But yeah, anyways, if we break down again, I'll let you know. I finally made it to the warehouse. The truck is in one piece, still running. Here we are. It is so windy out here, it's crazy. It's day 2. It's not storming anymore. It's not Armageddon. We can finally take more than 1 minute to look at this truck. So we're gonna do a walk around and show the exterior of everything that I could find wrong with it and everything that I like about it. Windshield is cracked, seal's messed up on it. It leaked on me on the way home in the rain, just like the S10 does. Obviously it needs a paint job. Rusted front bumper, but it's the surface rust. The thing looks solid. Front grille, solid. Great tires on the front. I'm not exactly sure. Maybe you know, are these?
I have no clue.
S10 caps? I don't know. They're ugly, but
Yeah.
they're there. They're all for there. Trim's a little bit dry rotted. Tint's coming off of it. Show them the rocker panel down here. Check that out, Denny.
It's more solid than the shop.
Cab corners, rockers, bottom of the doors, everything's in great shape on that. Even the pinch weld's never been jacked on. Body makes up fairly decent, about as good as you could ask for something that's, what, 34 years old. This is probably the worst spot of the whole truck, straight up. It looks like this whole piece, like somebody might have backed into him at one time, and they just like slapped it together with some Bondo. You can see it's chipping off right there. It's even got a little bit of rust underneath of it. But fender wells, excellent shape on this side. Other side, not so much. Stamp tailgate, just like the S10. Same color as the S10. Same year as the S10. Really like that about it.
That's dirt.
That is spray paint. I don't know what's going on. Somebody took some spray paint and went across the bumper and the license plate. I drove it home like that though, so it was dark. The inside of the bed, it's got a bed mat on it, and I'd say it's in great shape underneath of there. Tailgate mat. This fender well, small amounts of rust. Definitely can save that. This cab corner, excellent shape. This rocker, great shape.
We can go outside right now, and my 2001 is in worse shape.
Yeah, it kind of looks like it might have been crinkled a little bit, and they tried fixing that. It definitely had some body work done to it. Not bad though. Like this fender's good, the other fender's good. Things are good on it. Inside of it, it's never a good sign when you've got a seat cover on a bench seat. Mostly because it's going to be ripped under there. But I say we cut it off and see how bad it really is. Here we go. Yeah, it came with some brake fluid.
Sheesh.
What if it's in good shape?
Where's the Indian corner?
That's seed corn for farming. Are you kidding me right now? All right, this seat turns out it's in excellent shape. It's got a little bit of splitting going on, nothing major. Definitely gonna clean that up and try and run with this seat. This dash is the first S10 dash I've ever seen that doesn't have any factory vents. No vents right here, no vents right there, no vents over here. It's got heater and defrost. Defrost, it blows up there, heater blows out down there. That's all it's got, no AC. So this cold is just like outside temperature, and then there's hot up there. Don't know what this switch does. 168,000 miles. Only has a speedometer and a fuel gauge and a trip. Everything else is just dummy lights. Here we got the 2.5 Iron Duke. Runs like a charm. It's leaking oil like no telling what coming out of this valve cover over here. All the way around, just gunky as it can be. So it's definitely gonna get a washing underneath here, some degreasing, clean it up a little bit, put a new valve cover gasket on it, and I think we're just gonna run it like that. Manual steering, manual brakes, ripped up wiring on the horn there. new battery, new O2 sensor over here, new fuel pump, new fuel filter, non-AC, so it's only got the heater only. I'm gonna fire this thing up.
How about you?
We bought that lowering kit the other day. I think I'm gonna put it on this thing and put some tires on these wheels. Painting the wheels black and then putting these beauty rings on there. They're not in great shape, but they're gonna look 100 times better than whatever the heck that is. This is one of the original wheels that come on it that had the blowout.
Oh, you gonna paint them black with that thing? That looks
Yeah.
sick.
Paint these black and then have those on there. It's gonna look a lot better than those other wheels, that's for sure.
Oh, no doubt.
If you guys have any ideas on what you would do with it, what we should do with it, should we part it out? Should we flip it? Should we fix it up and then flip it? Comment below. And hit the like and subscribe button. For sure, that really helps us out. And one last thing, visit s10life.org. Out.